David here, the mobile mechanic. 2000 Golf TDI. Got a lot of K's on her. About 800,000. Problem is, got no reverse lights. And since both lights are about, I think it's got to be a problem with the reverse switch. And that's what we're going to check out, most likely change. And the speedometer's not working. So we're going to try to get a look at these both, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm going to get the floor jack and jack her up. And this is the jack I'm going to use, 2.5 ton. So I got the Volkswagen here jacked up, and it's like no reverse lights. So I unplugged my switch here, and there's a switch here at the back behind the starting board of the transmission, and I thought it was the switch. So I just pulled off this terminal, and what I did is I used a cotter pin, or you could use a paper clip, and you just, short the two terminals together and see if it comes on. But what I've noticed is, go down there with your test light too, and I found out there was no power going on, no 12 volts. And so what I had to end up doing is, still had no reverse lights. So I bought a new switch, but first, before I changed the switch, I checked to see if there was power going down there, and there wasn't, and I bridged it and the lights didn't come on. So what I did is I went over to the back went over to the fuse box here, opened her up. This fuse right here, 10 amp, was blown. Replaced that, and what I had, I saw that was blown. The fuse was blown for sure, and now I've got my reverse lights again. Hope this helps you out.